Raise your hand if you've ever seen a 11-year-old quad with 255 miles on it. Yeah, not kidding. Anyways, this thing won't start. I bought it brand new. Obviously, rarely use it, mostly to push snow and tow the kids on a sled around the backyard. We're doing a full tune up on this thing, oil change, spark plug, new air filter, oil filter, and we're rebuilding the pump because I heard that's a thing that can happen when you put bad fuel through it. So we've got it all torn apart. There's the pump right there. Follow along. I'm going to show you guys how we rebuild this and if I have any luck getting it going again. Cross your fingers for me.